we got the Nintendo too, and we got this stand and also the Joy-Cons and the string for 2-player, the charging cable, the HDMI, and finally the Nintendo 2 dock. So, hi guys, we're going to be unboxing the Nintendo Switch 2. It is like the original Switch, except we don't like pull out the controllers like this. We just pull it out barely like this. And also just a tweensy bit bigger. And let's get it. So it's going to be behind this door. Switch 2. I'm almost done. Double package, please.
Sachin, it's over there.
So, anyways, we have the Switch 2 out here, and now let's start taking out the tape and get it out. Here it is. So this thing is brand new. It came this year, 2025. Now, so you get the controllers, and the Switch. Now take out this charging cable and USB charger and I know this. Oh, I think I know what this one is. Nope, I don't know. Okay, so it is. So you know, like how you want, like sometimes you want to put the Nintendo on the screen. We just have to do this. And then it pops on the screen. But it has to be on. So let me show you all the facts about this thing. So, wait. Where's the other? So, you see these two controllers? They're barely. So anyways. It was upside down. So, this is the blue spot and this is the red spot. So, it goes like, it's magnets. So it is magnets. And now, And we pulled these buttons to take it out. And let me get the original switch. Wait. So, like, on the Nintendo, like the original Nintendo, you have to slide up, down. And also, wait. Let's get it upside down. It's barely slightly bigger and longer. So I don't know what this button means, but it means something. And also guys, like Mario Kart 8, this thing comes with a Mario Kart World. Let me see if it has parts. This is the by checking the accept box inside the next row, you agree, then use the I don't get it. View and users or accept. Which one?
You can accept it, just accept. Yeah. Yeah.
So right now guys, this is the end of the video. Now I just have to start the switch, and you can also get this, and if you also pre-ordered it on April or May, you could get this today. You can get this if you pre-ordered on Thursday, June 5th, if you're at Utah. So, bye! So for a final ending, we got the Nintendo 2, and we got this stand, and also the Joy-Cons, and the string for 2-player, the charging cable, the HDMI, and finally the Nintendo 2 dock. Bye!